Hey there. Ever heard of a seed phrase? If you're into crypto, you probably have. It's that list of 12 or 24 words that's supposed to be your ultimate backup, your golden ticket to recovering your funds if you lose your wallet. Now, imagine a world without it. A world where you don't have to write down, store, and constantly worry about a secret phrase. A world where your crypto is secure, but the burden of managing that secret is gone. That's the world Tangem lives in. With a Tangem wallet, there's no seed phrase. No 12 words, no 24 words. The private key is created and stored directly on the secure chip inside the card itself. It never leaves. This chip is certified with CCEAL6+, which is the same security standard used for passports and bank cards. Think of it like this: your private key is born and lives its entire life within the secure enclosure of the Tangem card. It can't be seen, copied, or extracted by anyone, not even Tangem. So, how do you back up your wallet without a seed phrase? Simple. You don't. You create a second and third Tangem card, and they become your backups. When you set up your wallet, you can link up to 3 cards together. They all share the same private key, but each card is an independent, secure device. If you lose one card, you can still access your funds with the others. This approach solves a huge problem. Seed phrases are a major point of vulnerability. They can be lost, stolen, or compromised by a photograph. With Tangem, that risk is eliminated. Your backup is a physical, secure card, not a piece of paper or a digital file that could be hacked. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about self-custody. It's a move from abstract security to physical, tangible security. By getting rid of the seed phrase, Tangem simplifies the user experience while enhancing security. It's a step towards making crypto more accessible and less intimidating. No more worrying about that piece of paper you have hidden away. Your security is literally in your hands.